Welcome back here to Lacrosse now. As the country continues various phases of reopening amid the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, different organizations are providing guidelines for the return of sports, specifically at the youth and high school levels. And after the National Federation of High Schools put boys lacrosse at a more high-risk category than girls lacrosse, U.S. Lacrosse has said it disagrees. Here's the statement from U.S. Lacrosse. Quote, U.S. Lacrosse and the NFHS enjoy a strong collaborative relationship. However, U.S. Lacrosse and its Sports Science Safety Committee disagree with the NFHS classification of boys lacrosse as a higher risk for disease transmission. The Sports Science Safety Committee has reviewed the matter and shared its belief that both boys and girls lacrosse are more appropriately placed in the moderate risk category. End quote. U.S. Lacrosse has also put out its own guidelines to return to play, working together with MedStar Health to develop them. It includes 5 stages of returning, starting with what most people are doing now, individual training at home. It all leads up to the final stage, that's stage 5, which includes full competitions resuming. Here's a closer look. The stages are all based on players and coaches listening to state and local public health officials. You can read more about each detail of the stage, uslacrosse.org/return to play. Interesting note on stage 4, that has to do with more local teams practices and scrimmages and games, as opposed to stage 5 when it's allowed more broad-ranging tournaments and you're talking about over 50 people competing.